Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we're going to be doing a 14 days challenge using moringa and rosemary water, and I'll be using it every day, spraying it on my hair every day for 14 days, and then I'll come back to show you guys the results I got from it. So if this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. Thank you for clicking on my video. My name is Sophia and I make DIY beauty and hair growth videos just like this one. So please kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell beside it so you get notified for new updates. First, I'm going to show you guys how I prepared my moringa and rosemary water. So here I have my clean jar, and this is about a liter jar. So I'm going to go ahead now and put in my rosemary leaf. I have dried one here, and this is about 40 grams of rosemary leaf that I have here, and I'm going to be putting it in my jar. Rosemary, when applied to your hair, it helps to stimulate hair growth. It also helps to prevent dandruff, and it also helps to strengthen your hair strand and also prevent splitting. Next, I'm going to be adding moringa powder, and I'll be using this powder form. In case you have the fresh one, you can also use that also, but I'll be using this dry one that I got from Amazon, and I'll be leaving the link below in case you're interested in getting this powder one for yourself. So I went ahead to add 2 teaspoons of moringa powder into my jar, and then I added hot water till the jar was full. Moringa, when you apply it to your hair, some of the benefits is that it helps to strengthen your hair strand. It also helps to promote growth. It helps to prevent split end, and it keeps your hair shiny and moisturized. I went ahead to stir my jar to mix the ingredients together, and then I added more water to fill up the jar. Once I was done doing that, I covered up my jar, and then I kept it in a cool and dry place for 2 days. Yes, I stored this for 2 days because I wanted my ingredients to infuse very well into the water. So I stored it for 2 days straight. So this is 2 days after storing it. As you can see, the water is very dark and it is nutrients packed. So the next thing I did is to strain out the water from the leftover ingredients, because I'll be using the water. So I just went ahead to strain out the water that I needed. So once my water was ready, I transferred it to my spray bottle from where I used it on my hair. As you can see, I made much of this spray water because I was going to be using it for 2 weeks straight. So that's why I made much of it. I ended up having 1 spray bottle and a half. So I stored it in the fridge. If you want to store it, you store it in the fridge, and it can last you up to 2 weeks. So this is day 1 of our challenge, and here is my rosemary and moringa water. I'm going to go ahead now and start spraying it on my hair. So sit tight and enjoy some music, guys, while I show you the clip of me spraying this on my hair during the 14 days space, and then we'll come back and I'll show you guys how my hair looked like after 14 days of spraying this on my hair. So this is the 14th day, which is 2 weeks after using this rosemary and moringa water on my hair, and my hair is feeling so soft and I can feel changes on my hair strand. I'm going to go ahead now and take out my protective style, and then I'll show you guys what my hair looks like. So as you can see, guys, my hair has increased in length. Like, I'm shocked at the result. So this is my hair, guys, after the 2 weeks of using this on my hair. My hair loves it and I love the results. It is so good and I feel good. Thank you for watching. Talk to you on my next video. Bye bye.